Nora, please look at your paper.
An F? That cannot be mine.
It is your paper, Nora.
But I am good at math. How did this happen?
That is the question you need to answer.
I thought I knew everything.
Excellent work, Nora. Every answer is correct.
I knew I could do it. You practiced every day last week. Maybe I do not need that much practice anymore.
One good quiz shows progress. It does not mean the next lesson will be easy.
I missed 2 questions. The next lesson looks harder. I think I already understand it.
This quiz was about the old lesson. Friday's test will include new formulas. Take your review packet home. Complete all 4 pages before Friday.
Do you want to study together tomorrow? Maybe. I probably will not need much help. Mom! Dad! Look at this!
A perfect score. Well done.
You worked hard, and it shows.
You got every answer right? Yes. Math is easy for me.
You may try the new game consoles this weekend.
Your test comes first. The console is for free time.
I understand. I will finish the packet before I play too much. Really? Thank you, Dad.
Enjoy it after your schoolwork is finished.
I will.
Special challenge available. Complete it before Thursday night.
I can win a rare costume. Can we play together? After this challenge. You said that 10 minutes ago. This one will be quick. Is this for Friday's test? Yes, but I already know most of it. There are 4 pages. I can finish them later. What does this question mean? You use the new formula. Which formula? I cannot explain it while I am playing.
Then pause the game and start your work.
I was going to.
Finish it before dinner.
Okay. Special challenge ending soon. I will play 1 round, then finish. You should finish first. Lily, please stop reminding me.
You started your review. Bring it to me tomorrow, and we will check it.
Okay. You said you would help me. I will, after this level. You always say, after this level.
How long have you been playing?
Not very long.
Is your homework finished?
Yes? Nora. Moi. Please, Lily.
If the work is finished, you may play until 8.
Thank you. I said I will help you later. I wanted to do it with you, not after you are tired. I cannot do everything at once. Then stop promising everything.
Time is up.
I am almost at the end.
Save the game and stop.
But the challenge ends tonight.
Sleep is more important than a game reward.
Just 10 more minutes.
No. Good night, Nora.
I only need one final level. One more try. Oh no. I should be asleep.
Nora, wake up. You are going to be late.
My head feels heavy.
Did you play after bedtime?
No. I just could not sleep.
We will talk after school. Get dressed.
This method will be on Friday's test. Watch the second step carefully. Nora, what answer did you get?
24.
Check the second step.
Oh. It should be 18.
Do you understand why?
Yes. It is fine to say no. Ask when something is unclear. I understand. I am studying the last page. Join me? I will study at home. The test is tomorrow. I know. Let us ask Mom. No. Then she will know I did not finish. She can still help. She will be disappointed. She will be more upset if you hide it. Please leave me alone. Nora, your test is tomorrow. I know. I will study after one round. Are you sure? Yes. One round.
Please come inside. It is time for the test.
Did you pack extra pencils for your math test? What test? What test? The math test. It is today. No. I thought I still had another day. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. I saw the reminder, but I was not listening. I only finished one page.
You told us your homework was done.
I did not want you to stop my game.
And you played after bedtime, did you not?
Yes.
Do not blame the game. You made those choices.
I know. I cannot take the test today.
You still have to go. Tell your teacher the truth and do your best.
Can you write a note?
No. A note cannot do the work for you.
I am going to fail.
Use the time you have. We will talk after school.
First I divide. No, first I multiply. Slow down. Oh. There is no time. That is the problem. I know, Lily. You forgot the test was today? I lost track of the days. Tell the teacher before it starts. I am scared. Tell the truth anyway.
Read each instruction carefully. Raise your hand if an instruction is unclear.
I forgot the test was today. I did not finish my review.
Thank you for telling me. You still need to take the test.
I understand. I cannot remember the steps.
"20 minutes remain.
No. I will not cheat. Answer what you can. I remember the game better than the formula.
10 minutes remain.
I should have asked for help.
Time is up. Pencils down.
You tried, honestly, but you were not prepared.
I know.
Why did you say you understood the lesson?
I was embarrassed. I was embarrassed.
Next time, tell me when you are confused. Then I can help you.
I will.
Nora, please look at your paper.
An F? That cannot be mine.
It is your paper, Nora. Many answers were missing or incorrect.
Can I take it again today?
Not yet. First, learn the material.
Will this grade stay forever?
One grade will not decide everything. What you do next matters.
I want to improve.
Finish the practice work and come to the help session.
I will.
Take the paper home for a parent's signature.
How did you do? It was fine. You got an F. Please do not tell Mom yet. I am not angry about the grade. Then why are you upset? You lied again. I was embarrassed. You keep pushing me away when I try to help. I thought you would stop looking up to me. You are my sister. One grade will not change that. I am sorry.
Tell us what happened.
I finished only one page. I hid the rest.
And you said your homework was done.
Yes.
You also played after bedtime.
Yes.
The F is not the biggest problem. You kept hiding the truth.
I thought being good at math was enough. Then the work got hard, and I felt stupid.
Needing help does not make you stupid.
I was scared you would be disappointed.
We are disappointed that you lied. We are not disappointed because you needed help.
I blamed everyone, except myself. And you did not listen to me. I am sorry, Lily. You were trying to help. I was worried about you. Can you forgive me? Yes. But next time, listen the first time.
I also made a mistake.
What did you do?
I rewarded 1 score and did not check your study habits.
We need a better plan, not a longer lecture.
No games on school nights until your work is finished and checked.
Will you check every answer?
No. We will check that you did the work honestly.
And when you need help, ask before the problem grows.
I can do that. That is fair.
You will finish the packet and attend the teacher's help session.
I will. This time, I mean it.
Short break after school, then study. Then free time.
That feels possible. I will make study cards. You only want to use the stickers. Stickers help people learn.
Which part is confusing?
The second step. I do not know why the sign changes.
Good. That is a clear question.
It still feels strange to say I do not understand.
It will get easier.
I wish I had asked you on the first day.
You cannot change the first day. You can change what you do today. Show me where you get stuck.
I can do the first step, but then I choose the wrong sign.
Good. Let us solve it slowly.
Do you want to try the next one together? A mí, together.
You earned a B. More importantly, you showed your work and asked for help.
I am happy with a B. Last week, you only wanted perfect scores. Last week, I cared more about looking smart than learning. Are you going to play? After we review. After we review. You are choosing math first? For 20 minutes. The game can wait. I do not want to hide again. After we study, can I beat your game score? You can try. I will win.
Now you sound overconfident.
Then remind me to practice.